Hello family, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much guys once again for tuning in. If you are new here, you are very welcome. If this is your first time seeing my video, thank you so much for um watching. And yeah, please don't forget to like, share for more videos to come. So guys, today we are going to the market. We are going to get the woods for the floor and also the ceiling and rebuilding the top of my house. So yes, here I got the insulations, and those are going to be the first step. First, to isolate the roof before you go to start with the woodwork. I love building, or I love doing building things by myself. So yes, this is me after the market. Straight up, I got to work. I started to with the installation. So I just knee it knee it. Sometimes my Dutch mixed with English, so yeah, forgive me about that. So I just use the knee to knee it on the wall or to the roof, because the roof is very low. So after doing all that, now it's set, and then I start cutting the sides of the where the door is coming to, because I'm dividing a little space out of it, and I'm going to use that for storing all the tools, because I love to have my tool space still. So I have just a little space left for the tools, and then yeah, the rest is going to be a bedroom. So here we got two bedrooms out of it. First bedroom is for my son, and then the second room is going to be my small space for myself. So guys, yes, here I'm still taking all the measurements and everything, and then after that cleaning up, still busy with all the cleaning jobs, whatever that I can do to make the space look amazing. So yes, this is what I am doing so far, and also checking all the woods and the buttons that I'll be using. So here I put um a ceiling battle in between it before I'll put the plate. I'll screw the plate on top of this ceiling battle. So yes, that is what I am doing. So I keep repeating the same process till I am completely done. So yes, this is how it goes. Guys, if this is your first time tuning into this channel, please don't forget to share, subscribe for new videos to come, because I'm going to post amazing results of how I rebuild this whole place. So yes, I have finished now with the buttons, and then now I also did the wall over there, because the more when I'm busy with the ceiling battles, I took this wall out because I needed to extend it to the other side too. But now I am done with this. Thank you for watching, and get you in the next one. Bye.